Hi guys, I'm Miss Tiffany, the Youth Services Librarian here at Retama Central Library, and welcome to another episode, Teens and Tweens DIY. Today on Teens and Tweens DIY, we are going to be creating tie-dye shirts using permanent markers. The materials that we're going to need are a permanent marker, a white t-shirt, plastic container, rubbing alcohol and a small container to hold it in, Q-tips, and rubber bands. Getting ready. Select the area you will work, gather your materials, cover your workspace with old newspaper. Are you ready to get started? Let's go ahead. Step 1. Place the white t-shirt over the container you choose. Use the rubber band to secure the shirt in place. Step 2. Using the permanent markers, make small dots on the shirt. Make sure the dots are close to each other. Pour the rubbing alcohol into your small container. Step 3. Dip the end of the Q-tip into the rubbing alcohol and then move it over to the t-shirt and touch the permanent marker dots you have made. Continue dipping the Q-tip into the rubbing alcohol and touching it to the markers until all of the colors start to mix together. And the final step. Step 4. Remember to move to another area of your shirt and repeat steps 1 through 4 until your t-shirt is completely covered. You did it! Enjoy your tie-dye shirt! Well guys, I do hope you enjoyed this episode of Teens and Tweens DIY. I am Miss Tiffany, the Youth Services Librarian here at Retama Central Library. Until next time, bye!